Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This video is for nose blowing and what you can do to help your child master this skill. At the end of this video, I will post up a developmental guideline that shows at what ages kids are expected to do certain skills. So take a quick peek. This video is one video in a series of strategies for nose blowing. Now, one of my very favorite techniques to teach kids how to blow their nose is to use a nose flute. Definitely use this when a child is well and not sick. So the idea here is that you're practicing blowing through the nose when the child is feeling well and when the child is somewhat motivated. The nose flute can be very motivating because it makes sound and it makes music. So it's a great way to have a child learn how to get air through the nose. I will put a direct link on otkidsmass.com. So please take a look to see what a nose flute is and whether or not you might want to give this a try. They're very inexpensive and they're very fun.